Hey guys, what's happening? How to connect Apple Music to Discord. So first of all, you can leverage Discord Music Presence, right? So go to the Discord Music Presence GitHub page and download the latest release. And look under the Asset section for a zip or installer file. You can see right here the assets. All right. Now extract the downloaded file to a folder. Then open the exe file or in Windows or .app file in Mac OS. Right? Allow any permissions the app requests to access Apple Music or iTunes in Discord. Right? And open the music presence. Right? And the app will inform you that it runs in the background and can be accessed from the tray menu to open controls and settings right here. Right? Another tip, if you want to check if Apple Music is enabled, right click the music presence icon in the tray and then move on to the settings and then services and enable use the iTunes API for Apple Music. Right? And then go and open Apple Music in the Mac OS or iTunes in Windows and play a song. And check your Discord profile, and your current song should now appear with the title, artist, and title, artist, and album art. Okay, so another tip to customize how song info appears: go to settings, appearance in music presence, and adjust preferences like showing the title, artist, or album right here. Right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.